Hey everyone, Tom here from Burnaby Roofing. This is an update from the roof we were doing in Ladner, roof replacement. So we got the top done. You can see we got the ridge vent installed, all the rubber's done, all the walls, nice and straight. Homeowner's happy. It's a tough day today, but everything looks amazing as usual. There's the front, just needs a little bit of sun. Flatten everything out. Just got to cut the drains out now and the rubber. Do a little bit of caulking work up here and we're done. You can see the ridge vent there. Nice. Just got one more side. Tomorrow we're also changing all the downspouts and everything, so a lot of little time consuming stuff on this roof. So just a quick update. So remember, if you're in BC in the Lower Mainland, call Army Roofing at 778-686-7663, or you can visit us at armyroofing.com. Fill out a submission form at the bottom of the page, and we'll get back to you by email and schedule you a free estimate. So thanks everybody for watching, and bye for now.